uSolomon Linda nguye umsunguli wegido nomvumo wesicathamiya. Ngokutsho komlingana wakhe kezomvumo uBabsi Mlangeni, isicathamiya yakhe sathiyelelwe ibizo laso ngengoma kaLinda iMbube ebuya yaziwe ngeThe Lion Sleeps Tonight. Ingoma le yaduma kakhulu ngo-1939 yethula umhlobo omutsha womvumo ongaphekelelwa zinsimbi i-acapella ephasini. Kanti yabe selithengisa amakhophi ayi-100,000 ngo-1949 eSouth Africa. Umlangeni uthe ekuhambeni kwesikhathi umvumo lo wathoma ukwaziwa njengengoma busuku ngoba nabe uvunywa ebusuku nabashayisa-ke ematorhweni. Kodwa kwathi ekuhambeni kwesikhathi lajuguluka ibizo lawo kwathiwa icothoza mfana. Bekwaba kulapho ubizwa khona ngesicathamiya ngombana bafuna bona abavumi bawo nabagidako balithindise phasi inyawo bangalibethi phasi lenza itjhada.
In later years it was called ngoma busuku because they used to perform this kind of music in the evenings till late round about 1 o'clock and so on.
uSolomon Linda eqinisweni wayenguSolomon Ntsele nakabelethwako ngo-1909 hlanu kwePomeroy eMsinga eMnambithi. Kwathi nakuhamba isikhathi wajugulula isibongo sakhe wazibiza ngesinanazelo sakhe uLinda. Umtlami wengoma eyatshisa amadamana amanzi iphasi loke lo wathengisa ubunikazi ekhampanini egadangisako nge-10 namkha i-R35. Umlangeni uthi lokho bekuyinto evamileko ukwenzeka ngalezi ngikhathi ngoba ilwazi lalingekho.
Many musicians across the world have really gotten down to that song, and unfortunately it was one of those African songs that when you pick up you don't think there's credit to be given to somebody, you think it's a traditional song.
Makekero umvumo sipho Sticks Mabuse uthi uLinda watlama ingoma ezidume khulu ephasini.
Solomon Linda's legacy is having created one of the most iconic songs and ensuring that this music is sustainable beyond the South African shores.
Umabuse uthi ngicheme ezinjenge Lady Smith Black Mambazo zalime ekulu indima ekwenzeni umvumo kaLinda ukuthi uhlala ukhona.